Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidgy channel. Today's video will explain how to find a missing microphone on your Android phone. People often search for topics, videos, music, etc. that interest them. Entering text using the keyboard is essential in this process. Some users also know that there's a microphone button on the keyboard. Simply tap this button and speak your search keywords, and the keywords will be directly transcribed into the search box. This is often very convenient for searching or entering content, but suddenly one day, you might find that the microphone button on your keyboard is gone. You don't know what happened, but the microphone is simply not in its usual place. At this point, you might wonder how to find the missing microphone on your Android phone. Don't worry, this video will help you solve your problem. This video is applicable to phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Please watch this video patiently. The microphone on the keyboard is crucial for many users. If you want to find the missing microphone voice button on your Android phone keyboard, please patiently try the following steps with me. We will describe in detail how to do this in this video. You don't need to worry, just follow my steps, and I believe your problem will be solved. We sincerely hope that your problem will be resolved. Next, we will tell you how to get the microphone back on your Android phone keyboard if it's missing. Finally, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1. Enable voice input on your phone. Often, the disappearance of the microphone button on the keyboard is related to the keyboard settings, and many users have discussed and tried this method on various forums. This is the first method to find the disappearing microphone symbol on your Android phone. The specific steps are as follows. 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. 2. In the Settings interface, find and select the General Management option. 3. In the General Management interface, find and select Keyboard Settings. 4. Continue to find and select the Voice Input option on the new interface. 5. In the Voice Input Options interface, check if the None option is selected. If it is, immediately select another Voice Input option. After selecting, open any application that allows searching and see if the microphone button has reappeared. Method 2. Reset Keyboard Settings. If the previous method doesn't bring the microphone icon back to your keyboard, you can try resetting your keyboard settings. This will restore all custom configurations to their original state, and this operation only affects the keyboard. You won't lose any other data, so you can try it with confidence. Here's the second method to get the speech-to-text microphone back on your Android phone keyboard, with the following steps. 1. Open your phone's settings. 2. In the Settings interface, find and select the General Management option. 3. In the General Management interface, find and select Keyboard Settings. 4. Scroll down to the middle of the screen and tap the Reset to Default Settings option. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions. After the keyboard reset is successful, the problem of the missing microphone on your Android phone keyboard should be solved. Method 3 is to seek help from your phone's brand support. If you still can't fix the missing mic icon on your Android phone keyboard after trying the above two methods, you will have to take your phone to the official brand service center for assistance. However, before going to the service center, please carefully check your keyboard again to see if the microphone button has disappeared. If a new update has moved the microphone button to a different location, and you haven't noticed it, this could be one of the reasons why you think the microphone has disappeared from the keyboard. So, please check carefully. This concludes the video on how to reveal the mic icon on the Android mobile keyboard. If you found this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like, share, and let us know in the comments which method helped you solve the problem. Also, if you think there are areas where we can improve, please share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.